Assalamu alaikum students and parents. Today we are going to practice worksheet 2 of third class A and B section. Subject is English. I am your English teacher. What is a paragraph? Today we are going to read. I am going to read one paragraph where we can get some meaning, we can get some questions and also answers from that paragraph. A paragraph is nothing but which contains 3 to 4 lines is called as a paragraph. For example, I will write one paragraph on the board. Rayan, Wasif and Hisham are on their way to river. It is Sunday morning. It is Sunday morning and the trio has taken permission from their parents to go on a picnic. They are cycling happily. They are cycling happily. This is called as a paragraph. How many lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 lines to 5 lines or 6 lines also sometimes where we write, it is called as a paragraph. See here, starting, if this is the line in classwork, we are leaving 2 to 3 fingers gap, then we are starting writing the paragraph. You have to put 3 finger lines, then we should start writing the paragraph. And next we can continue the next line. Rayan, Wasif and Hisham are on their way to river. Where they are going? They are going to river. It is Sunday morning and the trio means here 3 members who are cycling. 3 members who are cycling is called as trio. Trio means cycling by three members. On a bike also if you find, we can call it as trio. Cycling by 3 members. Trio has taken permission. Permission means allow to do something. Allow to do something. Or work. Allowed to do something or work from their parents to go on a picnic. Where they are going? They are going on a picnic. They have taken permission from their parents. How many members are there? 3 members. So they are called as trio. What they are doing? They are cycling happily. Cycling means to ride a bicycle. Cycling means to ride a bicycle. Cycling means to ride a bicycle. Rayan, Wasif and Hisham are on their way to river. It is Sunday morning and the trio have taken permission from their parents to go on a picnic. They are cycling happily. This is a paragraph. Let us make some questions, take some answers from this paragraph. Who are on their way to river? Who are on their way to river? Rayan, Wasif and Hisham. They are on their way to river. Second question. What day was it? कौन सा दिन था? Sunday. It was Sunday morning. Third question. Have they taken permission from their parents? Yes, they have taken permission from their parents. Next. What are they doing happily? They are cycling happily. What is the meaning of trio? The meaning of trio is three members who are riding a bicycle. Next, what is the meaning of permission? Allowed to do something or some work is called as permission. Understood? See the questions. Answers also have given. Questions also have made. You also try to make out some questions and make some answers. Next section. Second section. Add ER or EST to the following words. Word study. Second section is word study. Second section is word study. Here we have to add either ER or EST and we have to make. What is this called as? For example, fast, faster, fastest. Fast, faster, fastest. These three are called as degrees of comparison. These three are called as degrees of comparison. It means we are comparing. How many types of degrees of comparison are there? There are three types of degrees of comparison. They are positive degree. Second one, comparative degree. Third one, superlative degree. See here, positive. I am good at writing. Just I have used here good. I am good at reading or writing. Next, I am comparing. Comparison between two is called as a comparative degree. I am better. I am better than Safed. I am better than Safed. So superlative. Superlative. Good, better, best. Whenever we are using superlative degree or best, there we have to use the, because no one is comparable there. So only one member will score the highest, will be the highest. There we have to use the. Good, better, best, fast, faster, fastest. Let us practice some words. How many types of degrees of comparison are there? There are three types of degrees of comparison. They are a positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The first one here, high, higher, highest. Quick, quicker, quickest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Large, larger, largest. Short, shorter, shortest. Tall, taller, tallest. Fast, faster, faster. These are the degrees of comparison. See here. Here regarding comparison, comparative degree, what I have used? ER. What I have used? ER. In the high, what is the degrees of comparison? Here you have to use ESC, na? ESC. Here you have used ESC. High, higher, highest, highest. Quick, quicker, quickest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Large, larger, largest. Short, shorter, shortest. Tall, taller, tallest. Fast, faster, fastest. Read well these degrees of comparison. Let us practice last bit. Last bit here is match the following words. Here what we are matching? Match the opposite word. Match the opposite word. I am writing some words here. A, B. Good. Small. High. Lost. Shallow. Sad. Close. Friend. Next here. Enemy. Last. Happy. Deep. Found. Low. Big. Bad. Here we have to match with, here we have to match A with B. What is the meaning? What is the opposite word here? Good. Good opposite word? Bad. I am matching here. Good to bad. Small, big. High, low. Lost, found. Shallow, deep. Deep also गहराई. Shallow also ऊपर. Sad, happy. First, last. Friend, enemy. Like this, you also should do it in your classroom. These are the, it means after this, what we will get? The answer: good, opposite, bad. Small, opposite, big. High, opposite, low. Lost, opposite, found. Shallow, opposite, deep. Sad, opposite, happy. First, opposite, first, opposite, last. Friend, opposite, enemy. This is the answer. This is what symbol we are using here? First one. Opposite. Okay, you have completed worksheet 2. Please try to complete it in your class work. Jazakallah.